How to back up WhatsApp messages on Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, first of all, launch the WhatsApp application over here and simply go to the main page. Now tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Select on settings. And as you select on settings, scroll down to tap on chats. Now scroll down again and you can see the option of chat backup. Tap on it and here you simply have to select on Google account. So any particular account that you'd want to save or back up your WhatsApp messages to. So as you select your particular account, you can simply tap on automatic backups. You can do whichever option like daily, weekly, monthly or anything. So I'm going to tap on daily and include videos over here and then simply tap on backup. So this will back up the messages and you'll have your WhatsApp messages backed up on your Google Drive account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.